Welcome to my channel, Byte Tech. How to upload a short video in 4K on YouTube. When you upload a short video to YouTube, the quality of the video is automatically reduced. I will show the example of my video. Open browser Firefox, then click on the button Upload Videos, and then press the button Select Files. Select a file to download from your drive. Now you need to wait until the processing and analysis of the file is completed. When I downloaded the file several times, I only got SD quality instead of HD quality. When I started recording video for YouTube, then I got the HD quality of the downloaded file. But the bitrate of the video remains SD quality. A video file can be created in any program. I use an ICSoft 4K converter. You need to download any 4K converter. Double left-click to launch the program. Click the button Add File, then select a video file to open. After click the button Settings, choose 4K category, and 4K/H.4/MPASH4 video MP4 preset. Click on the button Browse, choose a folder, and then click the button Select File. In Profile, click the button Setting. Go to the section Video Bitrate and choose 50,000 kbps. Go to the bottom and click the button OK. Click the button Convert to start converting the file. Rename file Video 1 to 4K. Make the same steps as when uploading an SD quality file, but now select a 4K file. Wait for the file to be downloaded and analyzed. Successfully upload file in 4K resolution. Here is the video resolution information. Support my new channel, Everyday Motivation, https://w.youtube.com/@everyday-motivation-time. Subscribe to the channel and give thumbs up. I will post all the links below this video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive new video notifications, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video. If you like my videos and would like to support me, you can buy me a coffee here.